When you sit here, I might say we have close to 1,000 people here or more. I am not only talking to you, I have to talk to the entire Jamaica. Because you are already convinced of the work and worth of the party you support. But as you know, there are many other Jamaicans who are disconnected, who are sometimes jaded, cynical, disbelieving, and there are those who are independent thinking, who are watching and weighing us by our actions. Not just by my actions, but by your actions as well. Every word that we say is weighed. As members of this great organization, and this is a message that I have given to all my platforms and everyone who speaks, but there are some who don't follow. But right now is a very serious time, and every word must be carefully chosen to convey the meaning, lest it be taken and twisted and used for negative and lies and all kinds of misdeeds.